Name is Joseph baskoro. Name 170655, and I am a Catholic Polytechnic student of Mangun Wijaya Pharmacy Study Program, and I will give my opinion about study case 12 with the material for treatment of mentally mentally ill people. And before entering into my opinion, I will explain a little what mental is, what kind of suffer, and whether there is a legislation or not. And mental disorder or mentally ill or mental disorder is a disease that affect emotion, the pattern and behavior of sufferer, and the same with physical ills. Mental ills also has occurred in Indonesia. People with mental disorder are identified as crazy people atau crazy people. Crazy people are mentally ill and often experience prison treatment and even up to be pasung. In fact, people with mental disorder can be taken to hospital for treatment. Pasung can have you placed in a special room. Is not visible. You are born and help. That place is kind of reason made your own family. And I will give an example of mental disorder symptom. Uh, One, delusion. Delusion, which is to believe something that is not real or does not correspond to actual facts. And two, hallucination, with a sensation when someone see, hears, or feels something that is not real. And three, changing moods in certain periods. And four, feeling of sadness that lasts for weeks, even more. And then feeling of action and further extension the continue to interfere with daily activities. Five, eating disorders such as feeling afraid of gaining weight, then to split out food or eat large amount. And then six, change is sleep pattern such as easy sleeps and sleepiness and breathing problem and redness flags during sleep. And if you see anything like that, get to the mental hospital emergency room. If there are sick of hurting yourself and other, especially if there is a desire to commit suicide. If this happen to people around you, stay with him and call an emergency member. And of course, if there is such a thing a mental disorder, there must also be a cause. The first factor is a biological, and the source of nerve cell function in the brain, and then infection, for example, due to staphylococcus bacteria, and lack of oxygen the baby brain during labor. Having parents or family with mental disorder. And the second factor is psychological factor, and traumatic events such violence and sexual harassment, and then losing a parent or being wasted is child of X. were less able to get along with other people, and the force of deadly by apparent feeling of inferiority, inadequacy, anger, or loneliness. For the for example, to the interference can cause it to occur. And one, depression. Depression is a mood disorder that causes sufferer to constantly feel sad, in contrast to ordinary sadness that lasts to several days. Feeling and of sadness in depression can last for weeks or months. Schizophrenia is a mental disorder that causes hallucination, delusion, and disorder of thought and behavior. Schizophrenia makes sufferers unable to this between reality and their own thought. And bipolar disorder is a type of mental disorder characterized by beings. People with bipolar disorder and can feel sad discovering in a certain period, then become very happy in other period. And how to treat it? In my opinion, the treatment of mental disorders depends of the type of disorder experience and its severity. In addition to the cognitive behavior therapy and drugs administration, doctor will also advise patients to live a healthy lifestyle. And cognitive behavior therapy is a type of psychotherapy that's aimed to change the mindset and response of patients from negative to positive. This therapy is the first choice for dealing with mental disorders such as depression, schizophrenia, anxiety disorders, bipolar, and some and H. Uh, from negative to positive, this therapy is the first choice for dealing with mental disorders such as depression, schizophrenia, disorders, bipolar, and some. As happened in study case 12, where doctor give antipsychotic drugs is why are known on of the methods to treat this the mental disorders. And based of the law with force Indonesia last number 18 for, of 214 concerning mental health in the explanation of the law number 18 of the 2014 concerning mental health healthy is the generally said that the 19,045 Constitution of the Republic of Indonesia great the everyone can live a life and soul and obtain health service by implementing healthy development. The goal of health development to be active to to be activated is the reaction of the economic degree of healthy to achieve to this objective various health effort need to be made, including mental health effort with promote preventive, curative, and rehabilitative approach. Mental health are every must be carried out in integrated, comprehensive, and substance manner by government, regional government, or community. What's need to be indolent is a rehabilitative approach which means the doctor know better about the best treatment for his patient regardless of the right to refer such treatment or other dog or the other thing. And my answer for study case 20 now to the patient cannot determine what treatment is right for himself. In my opinion, is such condition patient cannot think or sort out which one arrives for me or not. And their patients are so disturbed by their mental illness they cannot make competent choice regarding their care. And doctor know better what to do treat patient with different case. Doctor know better the condition expression by a patient and how to handle them. Therefore, in my opinion, is appropriate for prescribe give the medicine because if you are not given the right to hurt yourself and even lost the life if not handled properly, that's my opinion. Thanks for all. Thank you. Success for you.